Welding is an art, and welding takes practice. It's a skill that you acquire, and when you acquire that skill, you get a special feeling for that. It's just like being an athlete or a musician or any other thing that you would do. You take pride in that because you're doing something special that maybe everyone can't do. The skill itself, just being able to master that skill and actually build something and see that you made that on your own, you get a very good sense of self-fulfillment from it. Being a part of that is really special. When a student gets it, they learn something and the light comes on, and that's when you really enjoy seeing a student that takes that upon themselves to expand that inner skill that you're trying to teach them. And that's one of the things I think I really enjoy, is seeing people come in that know absolutely nothing about the skill of welding, and I tell them it's just that, it's a skill. And I see them learn and pick it up and become improved completers, set themselves up for employment and a good occupation. The hope is to be that you'll love your job to where you're so tied up in what you're doing welding, you don't even think about the money. And then that's just an extra plus. Of course, there's times where it's going to be hot, you're going to have conditions that are not great, but you're going to be very rewarded for it. What I'm going to tell you is that from experience, from myself, and being involved in different types of welding, and just seeing students come and go in my class, this is going to be an asset to you. It's going to be something that you can use. Hopefully you will be your best partner in industry doing this, and you'll land a good job and a good career. You got to believe that you're worth something, and hopefully your parents or guardian, whoever raised you, has given you a sense of respect for yourself. And I find that those are the best students to pick this up and go with it, because if you believe in yourself, then whatever trade that you pick up, you're going to put everything you have into it, and you're going to be a leader.